Oh, no gravity. I hope these lines ain't no good. These lines up on here.
Probably are.
Huh?
They'll probably go to something.
Hey, what happened to them bad disconnected?
Well, okay.
3/4 rings we had. I think they done repiped up on here.
3/4 rings?
Yeah.
Okay.
We had a bunch of them. I don't know what they're. Aha, bitches, I'm on the other side of you. How about that? Power cord. I see, copper. I see,
You want to turn it on so you can see the bus?
oh, not yet.
Okay.
I need to look at my surroundings.
What kind of damn surroundings you got?
Shit, I need to see. That's what I need to see. What is my surroundings going on down here? I don't want to run into no crazy ass raccoon. Down here like. Well, I think I see the leak.
You think you see it already?
I think so.
Okay.